and I am Purva, and if you are new to my channel then please hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to press the bell icon which will update you as soon as I upload a video. And also follow me on the Instagram handle for more tips. And this video might get extended till 5 minutes or more. And if you want a brighter skin then please watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. If you have oily skin then you are well aware of its troubles. Acne, pimples and excessive shine on the T-zone area makes your skin dull. I know that. And I also know that you secretly desire a glowing, bright and healthy skin. And the best part is, that's what I'm gonna discuss here in today's video. If you think that you're gonna become fair overnight, then no. And I will also not promise you that the tips I'm gonna discuss here will make you the fairest of all overnight or with continuous use. But I guarantee you that these tips will restore your original skin tone and brighten up your skin. And you will not stop admiring yourself in front of the mirror. So here we go. As soon as you wake up from the sleep, splash cold water onto your face. This will close your pores, and washing your face with cold water makes your skin tone and makes it looks fresh. If you think that people with oily skin do not need hydration, then you are completely wrong. Drinking enough water will make your body to get rid of toxins. It also brightens up your face naturally, making it radiant and glowing. When you are stressed, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. This hormone can cause premature aging and break down collagen. So, do meditation and yoga. Learn a new skill or indulge in your favorite hobby or activity to remain stress-free. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, including the skin. It generates new cells and increases the blood flow, preventing eye bags and dark circles. Excessive exposure to UV rays makes your skin damaged, accelerates the aging process, and results in blemishes, tan, fine lines, and age spots. So, whenever you go out, protect your skin with powerful sunscreen. Yes, oily skin needs moisturization. The moisturizer acts as a barrier and helps the skin to produce less sebum and gives it a smooth texture. It contains emulsifiers that binds water and oil and helps the natural sebum to penetrate deeper into the skin, thus reducing the oiliness from the surface. Whenever you use a product, be a cream or a scrub, do not rub it harshly onto your skin. If you overexfoliate your skin, then it can result in microscopic inflammation, redness, clogged pores and blemishes. So treat your skin gently. Let me tell you a secret. You cannot make your skin tone lighter in just a day. And I believe that fairness has got nothing to do with your skin tone. When you take proper care of your skin, keep it protected and eat healthy, you will see a natural glow automatically. So this is it for today guys. I hope these information and tips were helpful for you, and I will be back soon with other skincare tips. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay home.